Hey guys, it's Anna. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how it is that I style my edges. I use a toothbrush and the Got2b styling gel to lay my edges flat and have them looking all nice and pretty. I know a lot of people don't really gravitate towards the Got2b gel because it supposedly makes your edges fall off or whatever, but I've never had that happen to me personally. I actually love this product so much. It's also what I use to glue down my wigs because it has an incredible hold, but I feel like it's still gentle enough to be applied on your edges. I'm not sure. I mean, I've never had that happen to me, but yeah, I love this product a lot. For the most part, when I'm styling my edges, I just want to make sure that it frames my face well. I have a huge forehead, so typically what I try to do is just make sure that it goes around my entire, like the entire perimeter of my face in like a nice unison, and everything just looks nice and smooth, but also just very like, I don't even know, you guys are gonna see a lot of it is just, I feel like self-explanatory and just a lot of going back and like fixing it. And I do my edges every day. My edges never look the same like one day to the next. So it's just a lot of, like I said, back and forth, playing with it. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look. These are my edges on fleek or whatever. If you want to see more hair related videos, they're definitely coming on the way. I just have to buy a lot of hair products because I've honestly been slacking in the hair department. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!